Right, you're going to have to bear with me through this coding. Let's see if we can make a start with it. This little chap, the enemy is going to move. So he's going to move in just the up and the down direction. If you remember, that is the Y. So I'm going to drag out 2 Y blocks. And his speed is set here. So we are going to get the variable and we're going to put speed in there for him going up. And we are going to do the times -1 for him going down. So we now have the 2 speeds. So this is the value of what's going to happen when he goes up, and this is going to be the value of what's going down. The problem is how do we make him move? We're going to need some more variables. We're going to need quite a few. The first variable we're going to do is we're going to have a variable called moving, which is going to hold a value of right or left, up or down, sorry, depending on the direction he's going. So if I make a variable called moving, and let's have it just for this sprite only, because we may have another sprite going right and left, and we need more variables for that. So I've got one called moving. Take the tick out of the box, and let's make a variable again for this sprite only, and let's call it up, and another variable called down for this sprite only. Okay, so let's see if I can make some sense out of all of this. If he's starting in this position, when the game starts, when clicked, I need to set his direction in the upwards. I need to get him moving upwards. So if I use a set and set moving to up, okay, that sort of makes a little bit of sense. I'm almost writing in English here, set moving to up. However, at the moment, the computer doesn't know what up is or what down is, so I need to set those variables. So I'm going to drag out 2 more, set down to 0 and set up to any number that is different to down. So up is 1, down is 0. It could easily be up is 10, down is 11. It doesn't really matter, as long as these are 2 different numbers, then this will be a different number. So if I set moving to up, that means up is 1. If I set moving to down, that means moving is 0. So I've used 3 variables, up, moving and down, and another one, speed, to help me control my enemy. Now let's build the rest of it together so that we can get him moving.